What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Wei Li, Global Chief Investment Strategist at BlackRock.
Mega forces like the rise of artificial intelligence and geopolitical fragmentation are transforming economies. That means investors can no longer view the world in terms of business cycles or temporary deviations around stable long-term trends. Understanding the forces reshaping global economies can help investors identify unique opportunities. Our three investment themes as we head into 2025 are: number one, financing the future; number two, rethinking investing; and number three, staying pro-risk. Our first theme is financing the future. Sizable capital will be needed as the rise of AI, the low-carbon transition, and other megaforces drive a broad infrastructure build-out. With governments constrained by high public debt, capital markets will play a pivotal role in providing the funding needed. Private markets can offer exposure to broader sources of credit as well as to early-stage growth companies driving AI adoption. Our second theme is rethinking investing. An ever-changing outlook calls for an ever-changing portfolio. It calls into question many long-held investing principles, including the idea of a neutral benchmark portfolio like the traditional 60-40 portfolio mix of stocks and bonds. As megaforces reshape whole economies, we think investors should focus more on themes and less on broad asset classes. And with a wide range of possible outcomes, investors may wish to reassess portfolios more often. Our third theme is staying pro-risk. We see the U.S. still standing out versus other developed markets thanks to stronger economic growth and its ability to capitalize on megaforces. We recognize some U.S. equity valuations look more expensive, but do not think historical averages are necessarily a good guide amid transformation. The bottom line is, moving into 2025, we think investors could benefit from viewing the world through the lens of transformation. We stay risk-on as we look for transformation beneficiaries. We think being more dynamic with portfolios and getting granular with views will both be essential.
For more details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you have enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcast.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com.